Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to talk about Cosmos. Instead of keeping your Cosmos in your wallet, not earning you passive income in terms of staking, it's best to make Cosmos work for you. There's so many ways that you can earn passive income. Today we are going to talk about Cosmos. You can earn anywhere from 7% to 14%, depend on which network you select, which nodes you select. Before we dive into Cosmos staking, make sure to like and subscribe. So if you divide 9.25 inflation divided by total bonded token, which is 62.23, and multiply that by 100, this is the staking reward which is offered on Cosmos network, 14.86%, which is a very good staking reward on a yearly basis. Now I want to show you that even Coinbase has started offering rewards for Cosmos, which is offering 5% APY. So since I want to get the maximum reward, I'm not going to keep my Atom or Cosmos on Coinbase. I'm going to use Keplr.app to stake my Cosmos. And before we install Keplr Wallet, look at the active validators on Keplr. On the top is Binance Staking. They have this much number of atoms staked. Binance Staking charge 2.5% as their commission. Stake.fish charges 4% as their commission. I also took a look at stake.fish on their website, and if you stake 1,000 atoms, you are going to get an annual reward rate of 8.5%, which means you can get a net daily reward of $5.87, which is 0.224 atom, monthly reward of 6.8 atoms, an estimated net annual reward of 81 atom. So this is if you stake 1,000 atoms. There's another validator that I took a look at, which is Citadel.one. And when I clicked on Cosmos there, this is how much they're paying me. So with Citadel, if you have 1,046 atom, which is about $27,000, you can get an yearly earning of $4,021, which is about 153 atoms. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to create a wallet on Keplr and how to transfer my Cosmos from my Coinbase wallet to Keplr and put it into staking. You can install it for your Chrome, or you can also download it for your cell phone, which is App Store or Google Play Store. So I'm going to install it on my Google Chrome, and I click on install Keplr for Chrome. And since I'm using Brave browser, I add it to the Brave browser, add extension. It says it has been added to my Brave browser. Let's go to my extension, Keplr, bring it on the top, and let's click on it. And on this page, click on create new account. I'm hiding my seed words. Make sure that you don't share these seed words with anyone. Whoever get access to these seed words can get access to your tokens. Put a name and put your password. And after you click next, it's going to ask you to verify the words that you have written down. Make sure that the words match with the keywords or the phrases. Once you do that, hit register and your wallet will be created. There you go. My wallet's created. Just hit done. And now I come back to my extension and hit the extension. Boom. You could see it now that my wallet is created. It's showing me my name, showing me my public address, and it shows me that stake I can earn up to 14.86% per year stake. Since I do not have any tokens, I need to deposit it. Just click on deposit. This is the scan code that I'm going to use. So now I'm going to use my public address for Cosmos on this wallet that I've created. I copied it. Now I go back to Coinbase. And in Coinbase, I go to my Cosmos wallet and I click on send. And in send, instead of sending all my Cosmos to see, it's better to just send one and see if it goes without memo. I do not have the memo. So this is the address that I copied. And I'm going to just send one atom to see if it goes. Hit continue. Yes, it's asking, do you want to send it without the atom memo? I said, okay, let me just try sending one and see if it goes. Yes, I'm sure. I have total 28 atoms, but I'm going to send only one. Yes, I'm sure. Let's see what happens. So the network fee is only 0.0025. The total is 26.38, and it's sent with less than a minute. Sent now. Enter the two-step verification. So I'm going to enter that now. So I've sent it. It says 1 atom is sent. Let's see if my wallet received 1 atom or it's a bummer. Bingo, I open it and it shows my total balance is 26.3. I'm happy that I got 1 atom received within, I would say, less than 10 seconds. Since I sent it without the memo, and Coinbase do not require memo, and even the wallet do not require memo, so I want to take risk of only 1 atom. Now I'm going to send all the remaining atoms. So send all. I have about $719 of atom that I am going to send. And my address, I already copied it before. I'm going to copy it again. Send it without memo. I said, okay, continue. Let's see if I'm going to receive that or no. Add item memo, no. Yes, I'm sure. Same step as before. Send now. Network fee is so low. This is the best part. So send now. And of course, I have to enter my authentication key, which is sent. It says it's sent. Let's see if I receive it there within a few seconds. I go back, click on my wallet. My wallet is opening. Please, please get my money. I don't want to lose it. Yes, I received my Cosmos from Coinbase wallet to my wallet. And now I have $747 and none of them is staked. I'm going to stake them now. Click on stake. It's going to take me to the dashboard for Keplr Wallet. And remember, I showed you this picture in the beginning. So let me give you some important notes here. So I'm only going to be trusting few of the validators. I don't want to put all my money with only one validator, because anything can go wrong with that validator and I don't want to lose my money with them. There's always a risk involved. So I'm going to select at least 3 validators, divide $200 each and see how it goes. So first I'm going to select stake.fish. The second one, the Coinbase is charging a lot of fee. I'm not going to go with them. I want to see somebody less than 5% with a lot of atoms, Cosmos staked. The other one that I looked was, let's look at it, Citadel 1. This is somebody I'm happy to pay 5%. So I'm going to select Citadel 1 and Stakefish. Let's click on manage. Okay, let's do the delegate. Staking will lock your funds for 21 days. Read this again. You will need to undelegate in order for your stake assets to be liquid again. This process will take 21 days to complete. So whatever you stake, normally 21 days. And if you unstake, you have to wait for 21 days. My atoms, 0 amount to delegate. I can select maximum, which is 28 atoms. Or I can divide 28 by 3 and see how much I'm going to go with. Okay, let's just go with 14 and 14. So let me give them 14 of my atoms and hit delegate. Hit delegate. Let's see what happens. I'm going to keep it as default and I'll hit approve. Wow, my 14 atoms is already staked. This is great. Now let me go for the second one. As I told you about Citadel. You can do research for all these validators and select the one that you like. But I've done my limited research, and with my limited research, I came to the conclusion that these two are one of the best. Where did the other one go? Citadel. It's right here. I'm to hit manage, delegate, max. This is my remaining one, so I hit delegate. This is the fee of only 16 cents. Approve. And bingo. Look at that. Already my pending reward is getting accumulated for stake.fish, and Citadel 1 is also staking my 14 Atom. So this is the way you can, stake your Cosmos. As always, I tell you about that, make money while you sleep. Imagine you are staking your rewards and they are getting compound interest. It's not the interest which is haram, it's the halal interest. Why is it halal? Because it's proof of stake. In proof of stake, you're helping and securing the network, as I showed you in the beginning of the video. So this is why I tell you that passive income using crypto is something that is going to be huge. And do not let your crypto sit in your wallet and not making you passive income. I could have let my Cosmos sit in my Coinbase earning me 5%, but I'm not happy with 5% when I can earn about 14%, 10%. Why should I settle down for 5%? Which is why you have to keep an eye in the market. You have to keep on doing your research and make money while you sleep. So if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe and leave your comments. If you have any problem, if you face any issues, let me know in the comments and I'll try to help you out. Thank you and see you again in my next YouTube video.